back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this last minute Valentine's Day makeup. It's pretty, it's pink, it has glitter in it. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day or for any occasion. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get started. Okay, for primer today I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. You guys know I love using this, so I'm gonna use it today. Oh yes, that feels so fresh. Okay, so now I'm just applying a foundation. My skin looks really glowy. I really like that. I always apply my foundation with my beauty blender. I just feel like it blends it out so much better and like it's so much easier. I don't know, I just don't like using a brush because it leaves me like streaky lines and I just hate that. So yeah, I'm not gonna use a brush. For concealer today, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and I really need a new one. It's almost empty. My hair keeps getting everywhere. Just a little bit on my forehead. Oh, by the way, the color I use is medium sand. I used to use a darker one, but it was a little bit too dark for me, so I switched up to this one and this one looks perfect. But now I'm going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. My camera turned off right now, so I had to get up to turn it back on. And my concealer kind of dried, but it's still blending, so hopefully it doesn't leave me any patchy areas. Oh my god, this does not want to blend. I left it on for way too long. Okay, so I think it looks pretty good. I ended up adding a little bit more of concealer because it didn't want to blend, and that was the only way like it was gonna blend. So I ended up doing that and it looks pretty good. I was getting a little bit worried. I was like, no, this can't be happening right now. I was about to take everything off, like my foundation and concealer, that way I could do it again. But yeah, it ended up working and thank god for that. But now I'm going to set everything. I'm gonna use my Airspun loose face powder. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for a few minutes. Wait, no, I actually need to set my eyelids. Look, I washed my brushes yesterday after like 2 months. No, I'm just playing. For bronzer today, I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And the brush I'm gonna use is a T20 by the Makeup Shack. So I was thinking today was Tuesday. I was like, okay, I'm gonna film today, post on Wednesday, perfect for Valentine's Day, you know, in case you guys don't know what to do. I'm thinking of doing like a last minute Valentine's Day makeup. I don't know yet. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet. So yeah, hopefully it comes out good. But anyways, I was thinking today was Tuesday and I was like, perfect, I'll post tomorrow on Wednesday. But no, I'm gonna post Thursday in the morning for sure. For sure. So I'm applying blush now. Now I'm gonna clean everything up with some translucent powder. I'm gonna be highlighting next. I'm using my SleekMakeup highlighting palette. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush to apply some on the tip of my nose. Okay, so now that I finished doing my face makeup, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow next. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do know what I'm gonna do. Like, I have a picture in my head, but you know, hopefully it comes out good, because I hate when I picture something in my head and it doesn't come out like the way I thought it would. So I'm really hoping this comes out good. I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then I'm gonna do the other one on camera. That way you guys could see how I did it. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back and I am all finished with my eyeshadow. I know I had said I was gonna do one eye off camera and then I was gonna come back and do the other eye, but I just did both at the same time. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I am obsessed with it. I added some glitter and I feel like that completed the look, so I really hope you guys like it. I'm also wearing some new eyelashes. They're by Thelashbarla LA and they're called Boss Babe. I am obsessed with them. But anyways, oh, my throat is kind of hurting me. But anyways, for lipstick, yesterday I picked up 2 new lipsticks from Maybelline. I got this like pinkish one and like a nude brown. Honestly, I don't know which one I want to use. I feel like I'm gonna use the nude brown because I don't want to have too much pink going on, you know. This color's pretty nice. I actually really like it. Okay, well, that looks really nice. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it looks really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? My inner corner is so watery. This one right here, like, it's just so watery. I really hope it stops because I hate that. But anyways, I'm gonna set my makeup with some MAC Fix Plus. Okay guys, I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All the details will be listed down below, so make sure you check them out. But that is pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.